Hi everyone, welcome back. Steven here. Today we are talking about the Noremia candle warmer lamp. We're going to get into the box and see what you get. All right, and here we are at the workbench, and we've got our box for this candle warmer lamp. Let's open it up. And inside you can see a really nice soft padded mailer. And inside we can see yet another layer of wrapping to protect this. Nothing worse than expecting a nice gift, for example, and you find that it's damaged. So a lot of nice padding on this item. All right, so we are now all unwrapped, and inside you can see that there's some warnings here about not modifying the device and using the proper power source. You can see we have a 110 plug here on the end with an adjustable control for a sleep timer up and down on the brightness and on off switch. All right, now we've got all of the packaging off, and we can see this nice premium crystal lampshade. So very elegant there. And this is a functional warmer, so it serves as a decorative piece to kind of elevate the home and add some sophistication. And it has this built-in versatile ambient lighting system that I mentioned. Let's go ahead and get this adjusted. I have a candle picked out which is a little bit taller, and we can simply turn this dial to be able to lift up this lamp to get a little bit more height, and then screw it back in place so that it's solid there. And we can add one of our bulbs. They do send you an extra bulb, so that's important to note. And the design, this height adjustable design, moves between 4.33 inches up to 5.7 inches, allowing you a completely flameless operation of your wax warmer. So you can put candles under there and you don't have to light them. So quite a bit safer and more convenient. It also has a 2, 4, and 8-hour auto shut-off timer. So let's go ahead and get the bulb in, and we'll save our extra bulb for another time. As you can see inside, we have the points of contact that match with the prongs there. And so a simple push and twist to the right, and it locks in. Now let's give it a test. We'll come over here and do our push, and there's our light. So that's very nice. And that'll be the maximum, and we'll bring it down a few notches to the minimum. And we have the timer at the top, and you can see it cycle between 2, 4, and 8 with that movement of the little blue dot there. So that's very nice off, on, and timer. When we put the candle underneath, you can see how it illuminates it. So you get a nice illumination across the top of the candle, as you would with any kind of fire that is warming the wax as well. So very nice there. The safety aspect of this is definitely an attractive part for me, as I have a home with a young child and a small chihuahua. So we don't want anybody to get hurt around items like this. I personally love to have candles going, and I love to have the fragrance from them. And so this is kind of the best of the both worlds for me in terms of safety and functionality. I think it's a great gift option with some nice presentation. The packaging is good and keeps it safe in shipping. It's very well padded. So nice option for birthdays, anniversaries. Housewarmings are another great idea for this in particular, as a very nice household item. As always, I appreciate you tuning in to my reviews. Please don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks so much. Bye.